The scrubbers now. That's my bucket and Noah's bucket. And now we gotta find the scrubbers. Over here with the collection of Ren toys that we got for free at the transfer station. Add scrubber.
I stand on here. Get it. I got it.
Nice job, Noah. Looking good, man. Are we supposed to spray the car down with water first and then put the soap on it? Yeah, let's spray it down first and then we'll do more soap. Sharing buckets.
That one's all gone. This is not.
Okay. Good stuff. Okay. There you go. He's a non-stop working machine. Down the back. A little bit more. That's good. Ooh. Is it still warm?
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. That is awesome, man. Hold the hose. Okay. I'm gonna turn on a little bit. He's never done this before. This is the first, but it's pretty dang funny. That's enough? Okay. How you doing? Is it all filled up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They get me my baby soap
Mm-hmm.
because it's mine.
Need a hand?
Mm-hmm.
Need to help you out? Or you good? More soap.
More soap.
Just wipe it on. You know, wipe it on you.
Mm-hmm. I couldn't do this.
Then they put it on your hands and you can rub it on your body. Oh, it's not open. Yeah, that's why. Now rub it all over. Your arms. Your arms too. Yeah. You just want to try it like juice? Okay. I'm going to hold it over your tub because I want you to spill on the car. Since you just, oh. Yeah, now you're okay. Put your mouth on it. Okay. Now you can kind of pour it back. What you think? It's good? It's a super fruit freeze. Supposed to be something like organic, healthy fruit juice, popsicle, but it takes forever to freeze. Oh, your mail's here. You wanna get Saturday mail? You wanna wait? Noah normally runs to the mail every single day, but he's pretty content right now. You're living like a king. You got your fruit while you're sitting in a tub. Call you King Noah.
Give me a towel.
You ready to get out?
No. Give me a towel just in case.
Just in case.
Hey, give me more
I heard you in the
water.
room crying while we were washing the truck. You didn't want to go to sleep?